Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi Manager app. This powerful tool helps you take charge of your wireless networks, whether at home or in the office. It simplifies complex settings, allowing you to easily connect, monitor, and optimize your internet experience. We will explore how this application can enhance your daily digital interactions, making your Wi-Fi more reliable and efficient with just a few taps. Let's dive into the core features of a Wi-Fi Manager. You can effortlessly scan for all available networks, seeing their signal strength, often measured in decibel milliwatts. The app allows you to connect to your preferred networks automatically, ensuring a seamless transition. Furthermore, you can monitor your data usage and identify every device currently connected to your network, giving you complete oversight. Optimizing your Wi-Fi connection is crucial for a smooth online experience. This app enables you to prioritize networks, ensuring your device always connects to the strongest and fastest available option. It also provides built-in tools to troubleshoot common connectivity issues, helping you quickly resolve problems. Moreover, you can enhance your network's security by easily managing access and updating your passwords. For advanced users, a Wi-Fi Manager offers even more. You can often utilize network maps to visualize your coverage, helping you identify and eliminate dead zones. Scheduling regular network scans helps you find the least congested Wi-Fi channels, improving speed and reliability. Remember to keep your app updated to benefit from the latest features and crucial security enhancements, ensuring optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.